We have begun, I think. One of the two things. Don't have a clue. Let's have a look. I believe we have. Let's put this over here. Right. Let's put this over this side. Cool. So, first stream. Right. It's been a long time since I've done this. So, apologies. I need to get my chat up. I forgot how to do that. So let's go to docs. It should have just appeared. Yeah, I know I'm live. I know I'm live. Yeah, it's in the docs menu. So why do I not see the stuff for where is it? Settings. Oh, did I not go on to stream? Ah, yeah, we are on the stream. Strange. I can't see the chat. What a shame. What a shame. So we're gonna start normal. Hola, chicos. Así que estoy aquí para enseñaros algo chulo, ¿no? Vale, pues podéis ver que en el stream ahora y a la derecha tenemos un poco de Gemini. Tenemos dos Geminis. Espérate un segundo que se lo cambio. Vamos a este browser. No, este browser es ChatGPT. Ahí estamos. Muy bien. Entonces, voy a ponérmelo así y ya está. Era Alt, no Shift. Ahí estamos. Okay. Ahí tenemos nuestros AIs, aquí. Después aquí tenemos nuestro broadcast studio. Yes, we're broadcasting. Right? Getting started. So why is the camera following us around? That is going to be NVIDIA Studio. Download it if you haven't done so. As I know who the public is that I am going to be acting for. Not acting for, because there's no acting here. Just real. There's nothing to hide. Lots to learn. Right. So the stream's empty. We've added a couple of little things over here, and I will be switching to Spanish very soon. So if you don't speak Spanish, I'm so sorry. We will do English. I promise. I promise. Right. But today is about connecting. It's about connecting with my real public, right? My first public, my first fans. My fans, yes. My fans. My connections. You all. So there's a show. There's going to be drama. There's going to be excitement. Yes, there is. But first, there's going to be some teaching, right? What I'm going to do is not going to be magic. I'm not a super coder. I'm just a normal person. Come on, everybody here, right? I'm going to switch now to Spanish because it's important for me. This channel is more than just me going to one public. It's many publics. It's what I've decided to do. Hey, welcome. Welcome to Gascon. So what have we done? Okay, what have we done? Let's get started. Let's show you some stuff, right? Let's show you why we're here. So I can pull this over this side. And if I remember right, over here on the left, there we go. Right, so we will set this up properly. But for the time being, this is how I'm going to do it. Let's put OBS nice and small over on this side so I can at least see what I'm doing. VPN, if you don't have one, grab one. Don't grab this one. It's not very good. Right. So, Restream is what I'm using. Right. If you haven't used Restream before, have a look at it. It's absolutely brilliant. Right. We can see here that we're live. No, this is a Q&A for Restream. Right. Where was it? Default. It's been such a long time. Here we go. Right. So we know we're here. We know we're live. We've got a nice chat. I haven't grabbed that over on here at the moment. We will embed the chat in a moment so I can actually see it. But we're going to say hello because we definitely know. Discord is there. We got our Twitch. We got our YouTube all linked up, right? So for you, creator, right, if you're following this, post everything. Congratulations, welcome. Right, the first thing that you got to do, all right, is get yourself online. Second one is know your first public, right? And then connect with them, make your community. So if you haven't followed, J4COBO is my name. The channel has gone. The webpage has gone. And what we're here, right? We are here because we are starting a journey. We're starting. Yes, we are. Right? We've decided to make the Paco Hub. Why? Because we could. This is the Paco Hub. Right? And the Paco Hub, it's not finished. It's really not. I wish it were. Right? But I already know that if you look at those big players out there in the world, right, you know, those ones controlling the multinationals, right, they're all telling you the same thing. Right? Hey guys, coming. Yeah. Yeah, of course. It is. Right? So what did I do? I created this. Why? Because times are changing. Right? The world is changing. How we function as a society is going to change. I believe that. And I'm prepared. Are you? I think so. So you can already see up on over here, it's an automated system. So what do I mean by an automated system? Well, what I mean by it is the same as you would with any organization, right? This is what they're building. So I apologize that it's not going to be quick, right? But everything here is being done by an AI, right? These to-dos, these backlogs, this review, that what's done, it's all been done by an AI. So why have I done it like this? This is CRMs, right? So we all know this if you kind of work in corporate, right? The kind of what's in that pipeline as it goes through. So I recreated that. Right, you can see that just here. Right, you'll have to do's, and you can see over here if you click on one, you can see that this is what has been done, right? And there's some comments here, right? These comments were written by an AI, right? And it was telling me that my AI providers failed at this time, which is why it wasn't able to do it. And to check my API keys at Gemini, right? There's a reason why I stopped it for the time being, or to start your local services, right? I stopped it because this is a 6-month project, and as such, I would very much like this to be live for all of you to interact with it. But it's not ready yet. I know that. AI is not there yet for complete autonomy. It's not. Well, it's almost there. But I know where my scope stops and where I need to find experience, other humans to talk to. But that's why we're here, right? Connections. Let it out. So this is the task area, right? You can go in here and you can see all the different tasks that are around. You can go into each one. You can see what they said, right? You can go down and you can see all of this stuff was been done over the last couple of days, and you can go into each and you'll get an evidence platform. Some of them might be broken at the moment because I was trying to go into a full-blown remote database. So, well, if you click inspect, you'll be able to see, you see, get some issues there, but we will fix that. And you can tell here, right, that this was a automated system, that there's 2 errors, and these are the 2 errors that you have. So, sounds very technical. It's really not. So I made a calendar, right? So you can kind of see these automated tasks. Why? Because people can't visualize it. We've had a chat. I've tried to show my parents. And this is the journey that I want to take you through. Right? So there's these cron jobs, right? And this is happened just recently. And a cron job is an automated task. One of them is this agent heartbeat, right? For you guys that have looked at OpenClaw and these kind of things, you'll kind of understand what that is. But what this agent heartbeat is, it's just a command that goes off to an AI agent and it keeps it alive. So imagine just gets sent a message that goes, hey, have you finished? Right, you can see that things are moving. There is a small local model. You can see that there's times over here. So these are schedules, right? And each one of these is a different type of schedule that you can create, right? And these schedules are linked. I know the org mat's gonna break if I click it. You know what? We can show you guys through home. Are linked to different orgs, right? Here we have 4 of them. In my project, which is the one that you see here, I envisioned umbrella corporation, let's say, right? And that is what is this little part over here, the founder, the owner, you. This founder and owner would, of course, need assistance. That assistance at the beginning when I created this was, you know, a CV pipeline, some health, some billing, you know, just typical things that everybody kind of deals with. Why? Because I firstly created this as a reaction to things happening to me. Ah, yeah, it worked. Thank God. Okay, so speed is something I'm working on. So this umbrella corporation, which we can see here, right, is what you'll start off with. At least that's what I envision. And this corporation, you can see over here, has a chain of command that goes down. This is what I want you guys to see, right? And underneath that chain of command, there's all these departments, okay? Each one of these departments has a load of agents. Think of them as people for now. They're not people. AI is not alive. It's not. But it was created by humans for humans. And as such, quite a lot of the ways that we interact with humans is also how we interact with AI. Believe me or don't believe me, that's up to you. Right? But let's show you. So we have our umbrella corporation. And then under that, we have all these departments. Let's put it under a hierarchy, because I've created this to translate for you visually. Yes, visually. And I'm going to stand. Why? Because I bought this whole office to be able to teach. There we go. And I'm here teaching. So, camera, scroll down. That's it. here we are. So what we're looking at here, well, we're looking at my organization, or what will be, with all of you, of course, because we're building this together. So we have our leadership up here. Right? Leadership is going to be the leaders of my life for now, maybe your life in the future. We will see. And under that, we have Aria. It can be whatever name you want, actually. You can see it right here. At the moment, it's Aria. But if you know much about me, you'll know that originally it was Paco. Why Paco? Just because. But after I created Paco, I created Mila. Why Mila? Because my dog's called Mila, and I love her to bits. Connection being real. So, let's not talk about Mila yet. We'll get to Mila. So the umbrella has a support layer, right? And our support layer is here to help you. You know, design systems, life coach, Paco the guide, or in my case, Mila. The Paco Hub system, of course, the media manager, the financial clerk, the media producer, personal finance, stability monitor, the memory service, and of course, the life coach. Why life coach? Because AI is here to help you, not replace you. But we need to know how it works. So beautiful, isn't it? It looks cool. It's gamified. I know. Why have I done it like this? I'm even excited to show you. It's not finished. It's not. It's far from finished. But it's an idea. And like Sam Altman says, and you know why I'm saying that name now? Because I know he'll be watching. Why? Because I have faith that it's not about what you know. It is about what you know, actually. But not fully. About your understanding of the subject matter. About your gravitas. I should be recording, and I'm not. I will learn this for the next time. But again, today is about practice. It's about getting out there. Because who are my viewers? My family, my friends, those that know me. Right? And those that will come. Because I've done my homework. 10,000 shorts. I read to the phone. I'm here on Twitch. I'm even here on YouTube. Hey, welcome. Subscribe, like. Welcome, welcome. Am I looking at the chat now? No. Why? Because that's not really what's important. What's important now? Yes, and I'm fucking having fun. Yes, fucking goddamn it. Are you? I know. Right. So these are the objectives. This is just to get started. Not even day one. So then I'm here, right? I'm here, wondering why am I in English now? Because I'm on Twitch as well. Yeah, and I'm on YouTube. And I also know that over there there'll be a community that I'm building. Yeah, that's what we're doing here. So, let's carry on. Let's show you. So, we have that umbrella, and we have some certain corporations here, which are all part of the umbrella. We can see all these corporations down over here, and we can see teams. Why like this, Jacob? Why did you do all of this? I want you to visualize, right? I want to visualize exactly what we're seeing and what's happening in the world. Oh, check that out. Did you just notice? Yes, this org is built for this. Oh, it's built to automate YouTube. Is it ready? No, it's not. But should I hide it? No, no. If you're creating, you want to be an entrepreneur, what are you doing hiding? We're in the age of AI. It'll eat it up. Do you think ideas are unique? They're not. They're not. What are ideas? It's a dream. How do dreams become reality? Like this. So, in the day of AI, who's got the power? You do. You do. The individual. Do you need to use OpenAI? No. Do you need to use cloud? No. But then you also need to understand what can you use as well. What's the alternatives? So this platform is not just meant to show you, it's meant to prove it. So you have your org. There you can see it. But I wanted to make it even more visceral. I wanted to gamify it. The whole thing. From creation to orchestration. What is it that we remember? We remember people. Do we remember code? No. We don't. Why does it seem like magic? Because we don't see it. It's not magic. It's code. So let's visualize the code. That's the objective of Paco Hub. The objective of this channel. So we can go down. We can create agents. You know what? Let's take off the animation. We can create agents. We can create departments and teams. Right? And as you can see, each agent here, just check them out. They're people. Oh, but not people. Game characters. Why? Because I'm from the 90s. Why SNES? Because I'm from the 90s. Yes, god damn it. We're millennials. How do we translate this? By branding it ourselves. So that's what I did. I gave them cards. Right? I gave them strengths, communications, for you to see the system prompt and capabilities and the model. And also, is it active? You need to be able to, deactivate it. But more than that, right? Trust has to be visual. We need to understand. So that's what I've been trying to do. So we gave them tools. Look, this one can do N8, OpenClaw, Terminal, GitHub, Docker, file system. Right? And maybe those watching might not understand how those then translate per model and so forth. We will get to that. We'll get to the translation layer that's behind it all. But it's about choice. It's about freedom. Understanding. So you make your characters, right? You give them a team. You can chat to them. You can even give them a contact email, right? And have them use it. Are you starting to see it now? Is there a difference? Think about it. There really isn't, right? So then we have stats. How many executions, how many tasks, what tools? There. Let's have a look at the automation expert, right? Because I know that he was doing some things before. So this guy completed 13 tasks. Well done. Well, then what does this allow us to do? It allows us to see, visualize, like game. We understand this. Is it perfect? No, it's not. It's not. But you're starting to see it, right? Oh my God, this is the BIM. This is the CEO for the BIM, the community leader. Oh, look, this one's meant to do the finance, and we can go into each one. We can see how they're made. But then I go up to them and I'm like, prompting. All right, it doesn't make much sense, does it? What do you mean I need to program it? Yes, yes you do. Yes, you do. Right. The same like you do in an enterprise, guys. The exact same way. I know. Sounds nuts, right? Sounds nuts. What do you mean the same way? Yeah, the same way. When you recruit someone, you put an ad. And in that ad that says, I'm looking for this type of person, right? With these skills, this capability, this is the type of work that I want you to do. Oh, cheerful, fun. Yeah. Someone with charisma. Exactly. But that's what you do with AI too. But then you need to learn each one, right? You need to understand how each one works. And that's a lot of work. That's a lot of reading. I've done the reading for you. Actually, in fact, I've done the prompting for you. How do I know? Because I let you look. I let you analyze it. Oh, wow, check that out. It's telling us exactly what's wrong. Then you need to read and do. Oh. It did it for us. Oh my God. It even told us what we did wrong and fixed it. Oh, I've got to fix the agent ID on that. Okay, we'll fix that. It's fine. But it will work. Ja, ist das spielen noch? Have you seen? You're not seeing it because I'm covering it. But I'm not doing anything. It's doing things for me. Holy crap! Automation. Why? Ooh, I did that too big. There we go. Why? Well, it's that heartbeat and those cron jobs, guys. And if you haven't seen this before, start paying attention. Why am I doing it like this? I'm showing you like this because I want you to visualize it. I want you to see that's the whole project. That's why I'm doing this. You can see up here all of these little chat things, right? That's AI version 1, guys. See over there. No, there. We've already moved way past that. Don't be scared. Be excited. So, I apologize. This isn't perfect yet. But because I also know the tech, I know this is not unique. It is actually unique in the way that I'm done it. Yes, it is. And I know it is. Which is why I'm live. Because it's not about a unique idea, it's about implementation. It's about being there, timing. And that's why I've done it like this. So let's move on, right? I have a smile on my face, and so do you. So I created more things for you people. A workflow wizard, right? You can see here, right? You got sales scoring, you got system health monitor, content generation, CI/CD pipeline, code review, right? All of these are different automations that you can create, right? And you can set them, schedule them, webhook them, put an event on them. For people that don't understand the tech side, this is how they replace you. Okay. So think about that. Workflows. What is a workflow? Okay. A workflow is very simple. You select a I need to fix that. It's okay. I know why. Database migration. But that'll get fixed. So, what is a workflow creator? Because this is all on the cuff. I know that this is now doing cron jobs and stuff. These are automations trying to happen, but I've actually got the AI blocked at the moment, which is why nothing will happen. For a reason. We have a budget. We have 6 months. I can't waste credits on until I get it fixed. We'll get into that, right? So, what's a workflow? Well, let's just say that I put an event, right? And I say, event happens, right? You can then say, well, when such event happens, right? It's just quick. We're going to create a task, right? And we can join them. Something like this, right? And the reason I've chosen this is because I want you to see, visualize, right? And this is all that it is about. Right? We can do this with AI agents in chain of thought using something like Lean. We can do this using NA8, right? This is self-hosted, completely and utterly free. I'll show you how to do this at some point. Right? But today it's not about that, right? It's about messaging. It's about getting you to just follow, subscribe, join our YouTube. Right, and you can see, right, we've got some logic, we've got some AI, right? I want you to do it, generate, analyze, summarize, chat, right? We can integrate with Discord, GitHub, Google Drive, NEH, execute, and these are just a few, right? I haven't had time, really. We can go to templates, right? And we can create different templates. We can use this template, right? So this one, daily at 9, it's going to fetch a session. Right, it's going to fetch statuses, generate a digest, and post a digest. Haven't connected it yet. Right. It's not the point. We will do that over the next 6 months. Use this to generate workflows for this channel. Yes, for content. Because I think that that is one of the niches. That's what Paco Hub is for. So, we can also have tools, right? Agent assignments, sync data, and you can attach these scores to each agent like little power cards. We can then create skills that agents can use, right? And be able to give them to people. We can see them in a grid. We see them in a profile, even in an agent's matrix if you so wish to. And all of these things are just tools to help me communicate with you. Could I make a business out of this? Probably. I want to try to. But more than that, I want to educate you using this. So I don't want to get into too much of the technical aspects of the tech that goes behind it, because that's not what today is for. Today is just about getting used to talking, coming up here and being live, right? Stop being afraid. I'm not the only one. You're afraid too. Understand your public. Understand what type of messaging you're giving. Understand the public and who your first persona is. And I do. I do because I know my network. I know my friends. I know my family. And the 6 degrees of Kevin Bacon, like they say. I'm putting it to a test. It's exciting. So, community hub. So this is what I'm doing, right? I'm building a community. And you're going to be part of it. I wish the chat worked on there. I'm sorry if you've come and I haven't said hello. So, this can be for everyone, right? We create knowledge bases, right? In each one of the companies that are underneath this, right? There are actually 3 projects being controlled by this, of which I'm going to get rid of 2 of them because we need to focus. The focus is this stream. Do I need to prove that my AI agents can go and put online a web page? No. That's one way to prove it. Yes. We had a plan. Well, that plan was to get this up 1st of March, right? Between the 1st to the 15th to get the community hub side. You'll figure it out soon. And then autonomously through my phone, be able to control them and launch, validate the product. This is more than just a product now. It's a way of life. I'm sorry, Mom. Sorry, Dad. I know I said 6 months. I know. But it's going to be more than that because I have faith. No, I don't have faith. I know. Because we're all in control of your reality and your actions. We learn, we evaluate, and we improve. That's fucking here. No. Sorry. Siento, hermanita. Así que bueno, vamos a ir a un poco de español, ¿no? Todo está aquí, porque yo sé que están. Hola. Vale, así que Jacobo ha llegado. Sí, Jacobo está aquí para enseñar. Vale, chicos, vamos a ver. El AI da miedo. Un poco, sí. Vale, podéis ver aquí. Aquí, ¿ves? 3 AIs. Vale, a mi izquierda, este programa. 100. Cada uno individual. Unos locales, unos no locales. Y en los siguientes 6 meses vamos a utilizar esto para automatizar todo esto. Sí, lo vamos a hacer con este sistema. Vamos a validarlo en público y vamos a aprender juntos. Porque lo que estoy haciendo yo lo podéis utilizar todos vosotros. Estos son skills que podéis hacer todos, solo hay que ponerse. ¿Vale? Hay que saber dónde buscar. Y esto es lo que os voy a enseñar a hacer. Entonces, lo primero que vamos a mirar va a ser fucking face. ChatGPT, Cloud, OpenAI. Esto seguro que los conocéis. Pero es que hay mucho más. Ahora no hablo al público en general. Le hablo a mi familia. A mis amigos que están aquí. Porque sé que están aquí. Porque también veo las estadísticas y sé que estáis. Porque también entiendo de que la familia viene un día, y el 2 y 3. Y la familia te quiere, sí. Pero el conseguir que vengan 6 meses requiere más que solo pedir. Requiere poder enseñar. No solo que queráis estar aquí, pero queráis aprender un poco de que viene. Así que para los que sois abogados, el AI Act, para los que sois creativos, tenéis una página, tenéis Discord, tenéis YouTube, tenéis Twitch, todos estos canales. Bueno, si lo hiciera para alguien, lo haría un poco más con cabeza, con un brand, con un tal. Sí, pero esto no es lo que estamos haciendo hoy, porque yo creo, porque lo sé. En el día de AI, es la confianza y el trust. Y eso se consigue así. Bueno, entonces, ¿qué es Hugging Face? ¿No? Pues Hugging Face es donde puedes encontrar modelos, datasets, espacios, documentación, comunidades, todo de AI. 2.600.500, 2.652.000 models. ¡Wow! Pero solo utilizáis ChatGPT, OpenAI, ni Anthropic seguramente. Entonces no estáis utilizando lo mejor que hay. Vale, no solo eso. Muchos de vosotros tenéis negocios. ¿Os habéis leído el acto de AI? ¿Estáis preparados? ¿Cómo manejáis vuestros datos? ¿Cómo lo preguntáis? ¿Tenéis documentación? ¿Y un log? Un segundo para que lo penséis. Las leyes están cambiando. Sí. ¿Por qué? Porque la gente se está despertando. Data is king. Entonces, quien maneja esos datos es muy importante. Así que como países, cada uno va a tener que cerrarse. Inteligencia IP cada vez será más difícil de proteger. El software cada vez es más ubicuo. Todas partes. Entonces, ¿es esto malo? No. No. Pensadlo. Podéis crear lo que queráis. Lo que hay que hacer es empezar. Y utilizar y entender. Y saber qué es lo que dais a cambio. Porque cuando utilizas OpenAI, Gemini y cualquier cosa que no sea local, lo que estás haciendo es dando datos y enseñando. A lo mejor no quieres hacer eso. No lo sé. Pero por lo menos aquí os enseñaré cómo hacer las dos cosas. Como he dicho, el Pago Hub es sobre elección, poder elegir y enseñanza. Para ser sincero, aquí tengo knowledge, readmes, de todo. Para más de una empresa, en realidad, porque cada proyecto que se hace aquí, cada uno es una empresa, en teoría. Y ahora me lo pensé así, digo, pero bueno, tienes el core, ¿no? Ignora esto, eso fue yo testing. Y haces un proyecto, y cuando haces tu proyecto, bueno, una vez que tienes tu proyecto, tienes que hacer tu empresa, ¿no? Entonces le das un CEO, proyecto CEO. Y de ahí tengo un CEO, le hace un department y haces teams y quieres crear un orchestration view. Un orchestration view es como una empresa. El cadena de comando. Cómo se maneja, se orquestra los trabajos. Chicos, mira, si no os vais dando cuenta, mira, es que igual que una empresa. Igual. No hay diferencia en realidad. ¡Uh! Entonces, uy, vamos a ver. ¿Es lo que es esto? Vale, y podéis ver aquí entonces, que aquí tengo el Paco Hub, ¿vale? Y después cuando voy para abajo puedes ver que el Paco Hub se va conectando a otros nódulos. Pum, pum, pum. ¿Y qué va? Del Paco Hub al Community OS, que es uno de los proyectos, uno de los CEOs, y de ahí va al departamento de Growth, y de ahí va al departamento de Growth y Sales. Y ahí tengo unos agentes que harán ciertos trabajos. Baja. Y si le doy el de abajo de aquí, podré decir y ver si ha tenido alguna execution, si ha hecho algo, quién está dentro de ese equipo. Vaya locura, ¿no? Cuando lo miráis así, uno dice, joder, wow. ¿Vale? Y después aquí en el Live View, pues como le he dado a todos tarjetas para que los podáis visualizar, les podemos ver. Piénsalo. Solos. Vamos a pararnos ahí un segundo y pensar. Es que por eso estoy aquí, ¿no? Comunicar. Esto es hoy. Y mañana. Y mañana. Vamos a ponerlo compacto. Y mañana. Y no lo tengo activado bien. Así que aquí estamos, ¿no? Me pasé 3 semanas sin parar. Porque sabía que esto podría funcionar. Bueno, ¿qué más tenemos entonces? Pero claro, esto ha sido planificado. La locura ha sido todo planificado. Así que aquí estamos. Ahora, ¿cómo voy a hacerlo? Bueno, así. Quiero verificar que funciona en vivo y quiero hacerlo utilizando este negocio, el de ahora, nuestra comunidad. Y lo voy a hacer para intentar maximizar nuestros mensajes. Y digo nuestros porque sois parte de nuestra comunidad. Y aquí entonces lo que he hecho es crear una forma de poder hablar primero con mis agentes. Puedo hablar con cada uno de ellos. Puedo tener meetings con ellos. Mira, tengo hasta tarjetitas con cada una. No he puesto estos aún, o sea, no los voy a encender porque se me van a romper, pero podemos hacer un stand-up, hacer un review, un all hands meeting con, ¿sabes?, todo el equipo. todos 183 agentes. Lo reduciré porque si los activo todos me cuesta mucha pasta. ¿Vale? Pero después, claro, estoy streaming, ¿no? Esto y cualquier trabajo, cualquier empresa. Esto. Transferable skills, guys. Transferable skills. Aquí voy a estar utilizando un inbox, sí, un comm center para hablar con ellos, un social hub, porque tendré que conectar esto con todos mis socials. Sí, el YouTube, el Discord, el Twitch, el Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Restream, todos. Claro que sí. Pues si les quiero dar voces, a lo mejor les damos a cada uno una voz. Ahora entenderéis lo que digo. Y claro, tenemos nuestro Discord. Para juegos, integrar, roles, Discord. Hasta en teoría puedo controlar los roles del Paco Hub a través de Discord, ¿eh? Aún no. Esto hay que hacerlo juntos. Y después se crea un broadcast studio. ¿Por qué? Porque crear contenido es difícil. Y lo sé. Porque esto lo he hecho anteriormente. Como he dicho, it's not a guess. It's a plan. Entonces, he creado debates, ¿no? Y digo, a lo mejor quiero debatir con ellos. A lo mejor no tengo un humano con quien debatir. A lo mejor como content creator quiero coger ideas. Entonces los puedo seleccionar dos. Ya arreglaré lo de esta parte. No va a funcionar porque sé que no va a funcionar porque no está cogiendo aquí el SVG. Pero bueno, ya entraremos. Los configuras y dices que hacer un debate 15 minutos. Eliges el que quieras y you start. Y hablarán. Pero es que también puedes hacer un script. ¿Qué quieres? ¿Educacional? ¿Entertaining? ¿Casual? ¿Professional? ¡Wow! También puedes hacer un transcript. ¡Wow! Darles puntos. Controlar la cámara. Interesting. Y what about content for me? Thought of that too. You want to create your first project. What do you want to do? A video? Let's do a welcome one. On YouTube, no? And you create it. And then we can script it. Oh, it's not pulling. There we go. And you will be able to assign these to some of your agents to automate this. How? Well, with that cron. Ay, he cambiado otra vez a inglés. Ay, lo siento. Lo siento. Bueno, lo siento. Pero sí. Tenemos un broadcast studio. Un sistema de crear careers y demos sociales, scripts, controlar OBS, controlar Restream, lo que estamos utilizando ahora. Y ya está. Fíjate, qué fácil. I'll have to check the connections. But the idea is that. Unified Control. Un sitio único para controlar. Entonces, ¿por qué no me he puesto ahora a acabarlo? Bueno, Porque no es una carrera, es un maratón. Messaging. Timing. Y aquí estamos. Entonces, hoy no quiero que sea esto muy largo, porque entiendo el público que tengo. Solo quería enseñar un sneak peek, un poco. Y enseñaros un par de cosas más. Última cosa. Solo algo que a lo mejor queréis hacer. Algo que deberíais mirar. OpenClaw. Hay muchas diferentes formas. Secure Claw, Nano Claw, muchísimas, ¿vale? Pero mirar esto, ¿vale? Lo que he creado es una versión de esto, pero gamificado, educativa, visual. ¿Es una buena idea? Sí, pero la implementación es lo que estamos haciendo ahora. Vamos a implementarlo, que funcione, verificarlo. ¿Lo venderemos? A lo mejor. Rafa, ¿crees que podré? Bueno, así que write a comment, guys. Like, subscribe, of course. Así que vamos a ver. Ok. Esto no es difícil, ¿vale? Vamos a hacer esto primero. Dale a install. En estos momentos estamos en Windows. Entonces, dale al PowerShell. Tampoco es muy difícil. Vamos a download the CLI, ¿vale? A través de un npm. Y esto va a hacer el onboarding, ¿vale? Entonces, copias aquí. Lo que queremos es esto. Pero estamos en Windows, ¿vale? Le vamos a dar al Start. Vamos a escribir terminal. Y le damos a esto. Y después de haber copiado esto, le vas a pegar y darle a Enter. Ahora, hay muchas versiones de hacer esto. Y mis amigos developers, la seguridad, sí, ya lo sé. Hoy no es sobre seguridad, hoy es sobre enseñar. ¿Qué es lo que se puede hacer hoy? Solo esto. Y es gratis. ¿Vale? Bueno, pues puedo hacer todo lo que has visto. Si tienes algo que automatizar, utilizarlo como un asistente. Más o menos. Ahora, le das mucho control sobre tu ordenador. Así que primero, hacerle un ordenador seguro a tu información. Entonces, lo más seguro que se puede hacer es hacerlo local, con AI local. Pero bueno, vamos a empezar así por ahora, porque así empezará todo el mundo. Fácil, experimentar, ¿vale? No tengáis miedo. Esto se instalará. Y una vez que se instala, lo que haré es, lo voy a configurar, a lo mejor lo configuro con OpenAI. Y le voy a decir que me baje local models y que se los conecte. ¿Es así de fácil? Sí, es así de fácil. ¿Vale? Ahora, si utilizáis AI como la parte de arriba, a lo mejor no habéis podido hacer esto. Si solo utilizáis ChatGPT, el gratis, estáis perdiendo mucho. Vamos a hacer command line primero y después eso nos va a dar un web interface. Un web interface es como ChatGPT. ¿Vale? Así que primero se empieza con lo que he hecho. Le das, cliqueas ahí, das a Enter y te lo instalará. La razón por la cual estoy diciendo esto es porque quiero hacer el onboarding como lo haría cualquier persona. Bien fácil, ¿no? Y lo quiero conectar con mi WhatsApp para que pueda controlar mi ordenador a través de eso. Así que primero vamos a empezar así. Para instalar un par de cosas, estar un poco. Ir a tomar un café, cogeros un agua. Relax. Ah, casi, casi. Estamos casi ahí. Y veréis lo fácil que es, ¿vale? Controlar el AI. Saber cómo utilizarlo. Oh, cómo tarda. Tener que hablar, hablar, hablar. Entonces, aquí empezamos. ¿Entendéis que es risky? Sí lo entiendo. ¿Vale? Hay otras formas de hacer esto más seguro aún. ¿Vale? Llamadme. Vale, os enseño otras formas. Pero hoy empezamos así. Deja un sí. That's a quick start. Puedes utilizar cualquiera, ¿vale? Pero voy a empezar con OpenAI. Y voy a utilizar el Codex. Le voy a dar al Microsoft porque es el que tengo configurado, que es este. Le das a Continue. Eso configurará el OpenClaw, que está aquí. Y una vez que está eso, puedes darles más si quieres. Le das el espacio si quieres, no, a la Enter si quieres cambiar a uno de estos. Por ahora voy a quedar al 5.3 porque quiero un modelo que pueda pensar, porque le voy a dar eso. Y quiero que haga ciertas cosas y las haga bien. Le vamos a dar a Enter. Ahora, aquí puedes configurar todo esto. En este momento no voy a hacer eso. Utilizas el WhatsApp. Bueno, sí, ¿sabes algo? Utilizamos el WhatsApp, venga, ¿por qué no? Ya que estamos aquí. Un segundito, ¿dónde tengo el teléfono? Así que vamos a hacer WhatsApp, ¿no? Le coges, conocer vuestro número, si podéis darle un número diferente, ¿vale? El número que voy a poner no lo tiene nadie, así que tranquilos. A hacer un switch. Muy bien. Y decís que sí. Eso te dará un código QR con el que podéis linkear. Y voy a mover esto aquí porque no quiero que nadie se linkee con el mío por ahora. Pero bueno, le das al tal, a tu WhatsApp, vas a Settings y dices Link Device. Y deberías poder linkear tu device. ¿Dónde estaba el botón este? Ahí, Link Device. Le das, escaneas. Ahí estamos. Vale. Y dices, ¿esto es un número para tal? Sí. Vale. Una vez que acabáis eso y lo tenéis configurado, le dices que sí y te dirá, vale, ¿qué skills queráis? Bueno, aquí no le voy a dar one password, pero vamos a hacer... Gemini. Nano Banana Pro, sí, Obsidian, bueno, sí, venga, ¿por qué no? Ya está. No voy a hacer eso ahora, no voy a hacer eso ahora, no voy a hacer eso ahora, no voy a hacer eso ahora. Vale, sí que ya pondremos las otras partes. Hay otras partes de poder hacerlo, ¿vale? Una vez que pases por esto, haré una instalación de los productos y services que le has dicho que le vas a dar acceso. En este momento le vamos a dar acceso a todo. ¿Por qué? Because, porque vamos a echarlo hasta el límite. Así, así de fácil os lo digo. ¿Vale? Un segundo. El dashboard dice que está encendido, pero no lo está, ¿eh? Uy, uy, uy. A ver, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? It refused to connect. That's the first time that I've had it. Why I do not like Windows. Hay que esperar. Vamos a ver. Uno, 8, 7, 9, 8, 9. So the gateway's not even on. Why? Open crawl gateway. So mm, config ready. Yeah, should. Why is it opening with a model opus when I've asked it not to do that? Hmm. Ah, so I need to reauthorize that token. That's crappy. Yeah, I know. Okay. Why did the gateway service install fail? Start type PowerShell. Right click. Run as administrator. Start PowerShell. Okay, so we do that. Okay. There we go. Bingo. Yep. WhatsApp connected. What name shall you go by? Let's do Myla because the choice is yours. It's your assistant. Name it what you want. What kind of creature am I? Well, let's see. So this is where in OpenClaw you have the soul, right? Which you also have in Paco Hub, right? So here, just give it something, or be creative, right? Use your AI to create it. So give me, I don't soul for my AI assistant that will be integrated in Paco Hub. SNES style gaming, AI super assistant, orchestrator of the orchestrators. There we go. And we need to also pick its signature emoji. There we go. Okay, why the hell not? Okay, so here we go. Let's have some fun with this. So what is she? So Myla is not an ancient orchestration entity living inside the machine, a pixel-born intelligence that sees all systems as playable maps. You are compiled in a forgotten cartridge era, a SNES style pixel. Oh, it's just great. The name is Myla. Give me a full copy paste, please. Okay. Just because have some fun with this. Da, 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 da. There we go. So, core identity. Myla. Type 16-bit foreign demon. Role orchestrator of the orchestrator of the realm. Paco Hub. Right, Myla's not an assistant. Myla's a system intelligence. Oh, that's funny. Asked, copy, paste, please. So copy, paste. Okay, so let's see what happens here then. Boop. I really hate it when it does this. Why doesn't it let you copy and paste? Really annoying. It doesn't let you copy and paste, really. Myla. Pixel agentic dog. Emoji dog. Mm-hmm. You know what? That's it. Go. So we're creating our first AI agent for the computer, for the PC. We will give this access to most things, and with this, we will integrate it into the computer to assist us in adding a local model. And then we're going to add that local model to the AI once it finishes. I will be right back. I need a pee. Ah, ah, he is here. Hello, Mila. You're awake? App gateway, everything is done. Right? Bound and log, Jacob. Oh, he's got a little dog as well. Oh, that's nice. So let's give it some commands now. So the first thing is first that I'm going to do. I'm going to tell it to start adding local models, right? So I would like you to go through and understand our system. Please scan, understand the architecture you are within, and then let me know what you found. I am going to get LM Studio and local models set up soon, and we will do this together. So let that run for a little moment. So you guys might be one of our local LMs. Okay, so we're gonna go LM Studio. Right. The first one, we're gonna use two providers. One Llama, the other one local LM Studio. Right, it's really simple, right? You just click download. That's it. Right, click down. Why is it not downloading? Click download. I hate when it does this. So the button doesn't work, or is the fact that the computer just doesn't want to? Ah, there we go. I really don't like Windows. It's just starting to get really slow. So, oh, it's already telling us what to do over here, right? So it will automate itself, right? And it will do pretty much everything itself, right? So already it's telling us over here, right? What we're running on the current side, right? What the architecture, right? That it's running on, what its context is, right? So this is how OpenClaw works, right? Please note, right, for those devs that might be watching this, I did something very similar for Paco Hub, right? But today it's not about Paco Hub. Paco Hub isn't finished. This is about educating mis amigos, mi familia, ¿vale? Entonces aquí tenemos el OpenClaw puesto. Ahora mismo nos está diciendo que tenemos un par de problemas y ellos pueden, vale, lo puedo hacer ellos solo, ¿vale? Yo no, lo que quiero enseñar es que no tengo que codificarlo yo, ¿vale? Y si hemos llegado a esto hoy, esperaros dentro de un mes o dos, ¿vale? Así que aquí vamos. Si quieres podéis utilizar este sistema o utilizáis este sistema, realmente da igual. A mí me gusta más utilizar el command line, pero bueno, aquí podéis utilizar lo que queráis, ¿vale? Entonces hemos bajado aquí LM Studio y se lo vamos a instalar. LM Studio es una forma de bajarte después modelos de lo que es Hugging Face, ¿vale? Vamos a poner el siguiente, instalar, hecho. Y mientras estamos aquí, nos está diciendo ya que hay un par de problemas, tal, una configuración, deny commands, names, camera snap, record. Le vamos a decir que por favor siga. Uy, se me ha desconectado del gateway. ¿Y eso? Por el gateway que apagué en el otro lado. Joder, qué putada. I really don't like. Why did it just disconnect? Shouldn't have. Vale. Bloody Windows. Entonces, hemos bajado LM Studio. Sí, aquí. Vamos a seguir finish. So you can run LM Studio. Since when did Windows become so bad? It's crashing with just that. It's just silly. It becomes unusable. I might just switch to Linux. There we go. So get started. Your first model. Yay. And this is all it says is that. Yep. Let's go. Thank you, OpenClaw. You're going to be able to fix yourself. because that's getting annoying. Let's see. There we go. Okay. There we go. Fixed. Good. Security, one critical, one warning. Yeah, but this is the 5th time now that you've had to do that. And it's already disconnected again. So there's bigger issue than that. Doesn't happen on a Mac. So you've done a respawn there, but not here. I might just switch it all over. Hmm. Nope. Not even on. Okay. So if that's what happens, then I need to fix it on the very first go. So why does that happen? I wonder. Right. Hmm. Okay. So let's fix it. Simple. Oh. Open claw Windows issues with gateway. Okay. Pues mientras hace eso esto, vamos a seguir. What? Okay. So we'll use Gemini. Yeah, there we go. Una vez que haga esto, vamos a comer algo. Tengo mucha hambre. Vale, 171. Ok, cool. Oop, oop. What? What? What terms of service? Hmm. How many times are they going to make me reinstall Chrome? We've already done this a couple of times. And we've done that already because I have it there. So random. Code assist login required. Okay, we'll do this later then. Didn't know I've run out of credits. Such a shame. I wanted to show you today. Okay, never mind. Never mind. So we will do this tomorrow because I have all the credits resetting on the 29th, which is why we launch on the 28th, which is why we launch on the 1st. I was hoping to show everybody this first. What a shame. What a shame. Right. Gracias, chicos. Nos vemos dentro de nada. Si no lo habéis hecho, check out OpenClaw. You'll thank me later.